Hey people, this is the R6, another mod, one more mod here, and the levers, if you can see, we got new levers. I like this because it has they're short, they're very comfy with 2 fingers. It's only for this piece. To be careful with this small piece, screws, because they're not metal, plastic. So very careful with this back. So I'm missing three more. So back to this, okay? All right, people. I've finished this. All the plugs over here. It's kind of tricky. It's a little bit hard, but you can do it. It's not a big deal, but it's a little hard. Just that. Okay, we're ready to put this over here, install this. So let's see how they go. All right, people, I'm done. This is it. How the R6 looks now. It looks sick with the windscreen, dark smoke from Puig. Easy to install, easy. At the dealership, they tried to charge me $125 to just install this thing right here, which is ridiculous. I don't know why they charging so much. They should be do for free when you do any service, I guess. Well, they installed the lever for me. I didn't want to do this because I don't want to mess over here. These stuffs with cables and stuff, but maybe in the future I can do it myself. And done with this. Fender eliminator looks so pretty sick. if you can see. Okay. The only thing I'm missing on this bike is the frame slider. So I'm still missing this. I have to add a frame slider pretty soon, and I'm thinking and get a new exhaust. I think SC Project is gonna be my better option for this bike, and thinking in full exhaust or just a slip on, I'm not sure. Depends on the money. Right? So this is the R6 right now. You only need one tool to avoid a $125 fee charge you for this on the dealership or any place they want to do it for you. It's pretty easy, it's pretty tight. It's pretty tight. I think I did a good job. Alright, comment anything if you want to ask me something about all these things. It's very simple. Alright, thank you for watching, people.